In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Respected teachers and my dear fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my speech is education, the importance of education. Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. Dear sisters and brothers, dear fellow children, we must work, not wait. We all need to contribute. Me, you, and we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light when we see the darkness. We realize the importance of our voice when we are silenced. That countries which we called strong are so powerful in creating wars, but are so weak in bringing peace. Why is it? Why is it that giving guns is so easy, but giving books is so hard? Why is it that making tanks is so easy, but building schools is so hard? One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is the only solution. Education first. Thank you.